I've had the benefit of being part of many formal mentorship programs, and those can be really interesting. They can be really good for the mentor and mentee, but I think as I think about the background of my career, I think about the informal mentorship that I've had from many of the people around me, and I've really had a lot of benefit of having great leaders that surround me and are able to teach me things even if they don't know that they're teaching me those things. And so when I think about mentorship, I think about the fact that I've been able to learn from people around me, take those things, put them into my style, into my leadership approach, and really take the best out of those that I've had the ability to really learn from. So when I think about mentorship, it's had a huge impact on my career, but more informally than formally. And now I consider it a top priority as it relates to mentoring those that are more junior than I am.